Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable app privacy reports in iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings, all right? And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to try to access the privacy and security. Scroll a little bit down, you're going to be able to find it. And basically scroll a little bit down, right? Find and select the app privacy report. Right here, you're going to find it. If you didn't find it, make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. Go ahead to the general software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated. Now what you're going to do, scroll a little bit down, privacy and security, scroll, and then find the app privacy report, and then go ahead and click on it. You got to turn on the app privacy report, and app privacy reports records data and sensor access, app and websites network activity and the most frequently contacted domains. And after turning it on, you're gonna be able to basically see the reports from here. So that's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.